So for
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amar Haikal Ilham bin Zunika and my teammates are Muhammad Haris Mikael bin Syahrul Afzan, Muhammad Nabil Adam bin Azhar and Danish Mikael Najmi bin Ishaq. First of all, I will tell you the definition of differentiation. Differentiation is any mathematical equation containing one or more terms and the derivatives of one variable, the dependent variable, with regards to the other variable, the independent variable, is referred to as a differential equation. Fx equals dy per dx. In this case, the variables x and y are independent and dependent respectively. For illustration, dy per dx equals 5x. Now I will tell you the solution of question E. Question E, the graph of a curve with equation y equals minus 7 x power of 3 minus 9x power of 2 minus 5x plus 5. We use differentiation to find emission for D. Y equals negative 7x power of 3 minus 9x power of 2 minus 5x plus 5. dy per dx equals negative 21x power of 2 minus 18x minus 5. Question 2. Find the coordinates of any stationary points on the curve. At stationary points, dy per dx equals 0. 21x power of 2 minus 18x minus 5 equals 0. X equals 1.08, y equals negative 0.22. When x equals 1.08, y equals 2.08. When x equals negative 0.22, y equals negative 5.59. Question 3. How many stationary points does the graph have? 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Mikael bin Syahrul Afzan. My matrix number is 01 DKM 2M 1047. I will start my question with question 4. Question 4, the first is determine the x-intercept and the y-intercept point. The x-intercept point is an xy with y equals 0 when y equals 0.7 x power 3 minus 5x plus 5 equals 0. X is equal 1.44, x equals 0.78 and x equals 0.63. Therefore, the x-intercept point are 144 over 0, 0.78 over 0 and 0.63 over 0. The y-intercept point is an xy where x is 0. When x 0, y equals 7 times 0 power 3 minus 9 times 0 power 2 minus 5 times 0 plus 5 equal to 5. Therefore, the y-intercept point is 0.5. And the next one is question 5. Determine the nature of any stationary point you found in part 2 and justify your answer. The nature of any stationary point or dy ds is 42x minus 18. When x equal 1.08, d power 2y per dx 2 equal 42 times 1.08 minus 18 equal 3756 more than 0, and therefore the point is equal to 1.08 until 2.08 and it is a maximum point. But when x equal to negative 0.22, d power 2y per dx power 2 equal 42 times negative 0.22 minus 18 is equal to negative 27.24, lower than 0, and therefore the point of it is negative 0.22 to 5.59 and is a minimum point. This is the table that shows the curve the graph of the curve. Next, I will be moving on to question 7. The graph of the curve with equation y equal to negative 7x power 3 plus 9x power 2 plus 5x minus 5. The first question is use a differentiation to find the expression for dy per dx. First one is we wrote back the equation y equal to negative 7x power 3 plus 9x power 2 plus 5x minus 5. Then we use the dy dx formula. Then it will be equal to negative 1x power 2 plus 18x and plus 5.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nabil Adam bin Azhar. My registration number is 10DKM22F1048. I will continue the present from Haris Mikael. So for question for F2, find the coordinate of any stationary point on the curve dy per dx equal to 0, negative 21x power 2 plus 18x plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 1.08, x equal negative 10.22. When x equal 1.08, y equals to 0.8, and then x equal to negative 0.22, y equals to negative 5.59. The stationary point are 1, negative 1.08, 2.08, and negative 0.22, negative 5.59. So for the question 3, how many stationary points does the graph have? 2.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Danish Mikael Najmi bin Ishaq and my matrix number is 01 DKM22F1057. Today I will present question F, 4 and 5. We will start with number 4. Determine the x-intercept and y-intercept points. The x-intercept point is an x, y with y 0. When y is 0, negative 7x power of 3 plus 9x power of 2 plus 5x minus 5 equals to 0. So we get x first equals to 1.44, second x we got negative 0.78, and the last x is 0.63. The intercepts point are 1.440, negatives 0.780, 0.630. The intercept point is an xy with x equals to 0. When x equals to 0, y negative 7, 0 power of 3 plus 9, 0 power of 2 plus 5, 0 minus 5 equals to 5. The y-intercept point is 0, negative 5. So for the question number 5, determine the nature of any stationary point you found in part 2, justifying your answer. The nature of any stationary point, d power of 2 y per dx power of 2 equals with negative 48 plus 18. When x equals to 1.08, d power of 2y per dx power of 2 equals with negative 48 multiply 1.08 plus 18 equals with negative 27.36 smaller than 0. The point 1.08, 2.08 is maximum point. When x equals to negative 0.22, d power of 2 y per dx power of 2 equals with negative 48 multiply negative 0.22 plus 18 equals with 27.36 smaller than 0. The point negative 0.22 negative 5.59 is minimum point. Example of application of differentiation in real life. What practical application does distinction have? Rate of a quantity's change. The broadest and most significant use of derivative is this. For instance, we may use the derivative form dy dx to assess the rate of change of a cube's volume with regards to its decreasing side. For summary, an equation having a function and one or more of its derivatives is known as a differential equation. Differential equations are those that contain the equation y equals to f multiply x and its derivatives. That's all from us. Thank you.